I thought I'd give people an insight into my evenings. It's nearly 11 o'clock at night, and trying to figure out why the throttle pedal isn't working, and it can only be that I've wired this up wrong, and cross-referencing. This is how I do wiring. You always got to start somewhere, and obviously you need to know where things go. I've had a fair bit of help from Emerald ECU's people on this, but this is like pictures. This is what I do to make little references on drawings for myself, so it always shows where I've got to go, and then when I do another one I can do it. So the pedal position sensor on when I've tested everything on the computer at work, the pedal position sensor has got numbers on the slide bar, whereas the drive-by-wire throttle at the rear hasn't. So I'm just going through things, and then what I'm doing with that is cross-referencing that. I'm just making sure that my colours are correct on there. With, where is it? There. So there's the, I'm not sure if it clears. Let's bring it up a bit. See if we can zoom in on it for. But there's the throttle valve. So then you have to follow the wires to see what it does within the ECU. So you've got your throttle value plus, throttle value minus. Then up the top somewhere where I've been looking at this so much, I know whereabouts the things are. So you got, what's that? The throttle values, the throttle 5 volts. So it kind of tells you what goes where on that plug, and then obviously the numbers are there. I can't read that. 26362 641 or something. Well, that's how I do it. It's probably a really long-winded way of doing it, but that's how I've managed to wire up this car. So yes, bring my AutoCAD thing up. There's the pedal sensor, which I believe is correct. I think I'll be having a look at this tomorrow. Hence getting all the information in my head now, and then there's my chart from Emerald ECU. It's got a lot of stains on it and stuff. That's where coffee's been spilt, and just trying to get all the correct wires to the correct parts. I'm just double checking a few bits. So yes, that's how I spend my evenings, just doing these. So hopefully this will help somebody.